In this video, we are discussing about group by in SQL. In previous video, we have learned about the aggregate functions, and when we are using SQL for further and complex calculations, we are using group by clause with aggregate functions. So exactly what do you mean by group by clause in SQL? So let us go to our workbench, and I have in a table a product. So I'm just selecting here as select star from product. Okay. So you will get the fields here which is present in the product. So in the product field, I have field name PID, that is product ID, category, subcategory, product name and sales. Here as you can see that there are many type of categories in which product is differentiated or defined. So also the sales is given, and I want to find out the total count of sales in particular product. Suppose there are the product name furniture, office supply or technology, or many type of category being defined over there, and I want to find out the sum of sales or count of sales in the category name furniture. So how I can do it? So as you can see, the product is a complete table, and in the table there is a design of rows and columns, and we perform the aggregate functions on the column, but I want to group the identical row together. That is, aggregate functions perform on the single column with rows and table. So here what I will do, I will identify one column which is sales, on which I am performing the aggregate functions, and what I want to do, I want to segregate or group the column of the same nature together. So what I will do, I will write select. What I will write, select count. I want total number of sales happens. So what is the column on which I am performing the aggregate function? That is sales. And what I want to categorize, I want to group the category. So I will write category from product, and I will write a group by clause, so that all the category like furniture, office supply or technology will be grouped together. So I will write group by, and I will write category here, and I will run this query. So here you can see that I get the sales count 15 for furniture, 32 for office supply and 12 for technology. So what exactly we do in group by? In group by we make the group of particular rows of the same nature, of same category, and then we perform aggregate function of a column named sales. We can do same here, like I can find out the maximum sales for category, I can find minimum sales of the category, I found average, I can find total sales. That is all the aggregate functions we can run over here. That is, I will find sum of aggregate sales. So you can see, you have seen that how I have run all the 5 functions on the sales column, differentiated on the basis of category. So you can do in many more tables further you are using in your SQL. So you can understand that how we are using the group by column. Further to that, we can also use group by using order by. That is, suppose I want to order it on the alphabetic order of the category. So I will just write group by category, order by category, and I run this query. So it is furniture, office supply and technology. It is ascending by default, and if I write DESC, I will get technology first, because it is in the descending order of the alphabets. So I hope so you understand how we can use group by functions in SQL. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.